Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the blue screen of death in Windows 11. First, enter the recovery screen. Turn on your PC and as soon as Windows starts loading, hold the power button to force shut down. Do this 2 or 3 times. On the next startup, Windows will open the recovery menu automatically. Select Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot, and open Advanced Options again. Start with Startup Repair. Click Startup Repair. Choose your account and enter your password if asked. Windows will scan and try to fix startup problems. When it finishes, restart your PC and check if the blue screen is gone. If the problem continues, go back to Advanced Options and open Startup Settings. Click Restart. After the restart, press the number key for Safe Mode or Safe Mode with Networking. Once in Safe Mode, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Check for drivers with warning icons. Open Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. If the blue screen started after a recent update, uninstall the driver instead and restart. Next, check System Files. Open the Start menu, type in CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. You can also run a malware scan. Open Windows Security and run a full virus scan. Restart your PC normally. These steps fix most Windows 11 blue screen of death issues. Thanks for watching.